Hi guys, and welcome to Unity tutorial of the aliens are here. I'm going to run it. You guys see how it works. There we go. Now you can see the aliens. So we have to do something to survive. So the only way out is to take them out. So let's go. There they go. Now take that. We've got one. Oh, we missed. You don't want to be seen. So there we go. We have to take them down before they actually get to the city. So this is very good tutorial for those of you who are into games. However, before I can start the development of this very project, I must see at least 5,000 views. Then I can put together a full tutorial. We are almost in the town or in the city now, so let's make sure we get rid of them all before they can cause serious damage to us. Come on, keep going, man. Get that one. This one more. Some of them still around. There we go, guys. And there. So just like I said, if I get like 5,000 views, and with some comments, encouraging comments to put it together, then we'll surely put this tutorial together. And thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to this channel. This is DJ Omen's second channel. Bye for now.